Hi everyone, I'm Jim Hogg from Gateway Toyota. Today I'm at the Edmonton Auto Show and behind me is the 2020 Toyota Supra. The Supra is back and it is absolutely gorgeous. This is the fastest production Toyota ever and the first Toyota to wear the GR badge. The Supra is 172.5 inches long. That's just 6 inches longer than the 86, and it's 73 inches wide or 3 inches wider than the 86. The 19-inch wheels look fantastic too, and the red Brembo brake calipers are clearly visible through the spokes. The Supra features adaptive front lighting with automatic high beams. Standard safety features include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, road sign assist, and a backup camera. Additional available safety features include full-speed adaptive cruise control, parking sonar with rear collision warning, and blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert. This car has curves with contrasting hard lines everywhere and looks great from every angle. The Supra is a joint venture with BMW and is powered by a BMW 3-liter inline 6-cylinder engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. It has 335 horsepower, 365 foot-pounds of torque, and it also has a twin-scroll turbo for quick spool-up or virtually no turbo lag, while maintaining high-end torque. Inside the Supra is a leather interior with carbon fiber trim, a smart key with push-button start, and heated 14-way power-adjustable front seats with memory. It also has a fully digital gauge cluster, heads-up display, an 8.8-inch display, and 425-watt 12-speaker JBL audio system. Toyota Supra Connect is standard and gives you remote lock unlock, full service concierge, destination assist, embedded navigation, SOS Safety Connect with automatic collision detection, stolen vehicle locator, and unique embedded apps. The Toyota Supra is a true sports car with a low center of gravity and a perfect 50-50 balance. It has adaptive variable suspension and variable sports steering. Let us know what you think or ask a question by leaving us a comment. Please hit the like and share buttons and consider subscribing if you haven't already.